Elliot, it seems you and my advisors are not keeping me informed.
Not keeping you informed, Your Majesty?
Baleem, Elliot. Those goddamn mercenaries have captured Baleem!
With all due respect, my queen, are you certain? How do you know?
How do I know? Elliot, you idiot! Have you tried to use a bathroom in the palace? The whole town of Baleem is living in my palace, Elliot! There are children crawling all over my throne!
Oh, you must be so happy, my highness! I know how much you enjoy it when your friends from Baleem visit.
Elliot, you idiot! They are not visiting! They're living here! Listen carefully, Elliot. I've had just about enough of you. I want you to send the best of my elite guards to Baleem to get that town back!
Yes, Your Majesty. I'll get them right on it, just as soon as they're finished helping your friends with their bags.
Now, Elliot! Right now!
As you wish, my queen.
If it isn't the messenger of gloom himself.
I am sorry, Your Highness, and I regret that I do indeed bring another troubling report.
Well, out with it, Elliot.
Well, it seems that, how should I say, the people are, well...
Elliot, you idiot! Say it already!
Yes, Your Highness. It seems the people, your subjects, are turning against you.
Against me?
Well, yes, my queen. Reports state that some are even speaking openly against you, and there are others who are quietly getting behind the rebel movement.
Well now, when there are no rebels, there will be no rebel movement, will there, Elliot? I think the direction we must take is pretty clear, then. Kill the rebels, kill their little hired hands, and the people, they won't have a choice. Tell my advisors, Elliot, and leave me alone.
As you command, Your Highness.
Wait, Elliot, I've just had an idea.
Splendid, Your Highness. What is it?
Stop feeding bodies to the creatures.
Your Majesty!
Yes, I want to give the people a little lesson. They no longer support me, do they? This will change their pathetic little minds.
But, Your Highness, the Crepitus will come out. They'll kill the miners, the people, even our troops. I say this, of course, with all due respect.
Elliot, I don't care. I truly don't care. Now get out of here and do as I say.
As you command, Your Highness.
I hope for once you have a good reason to disturb me.
My queen, I believe I do. It seems these mercenaries, while a small group, are apparently well-trained and equipped. They have recently secured Alma.
Alma? Elliot, you idiot! The goddamn training facility is there! What are they doing? Sleeping? And a mine! Oh, Elliot, what now? Spare nothing. We must not fall. I provide the best in armor, do I not? The best weapons, the best training, and the best soldiers that money can buy! Yet you tell me we have lost a city, a mine, and an entire training facility to a little band of guns for hire?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I don't believe this! This time, should we fail, there will be hell to pay. Let the soldiers know that. I want all the mercenaries dead. Do you have any idea how much losing a mine costs me?
Yes, Your Highness. Plenty?
More than you'll ever make in your entire life, Elliot. In fact, from now on, you can forget your regular paycheck. Now get out of here and give me time to think.
As you command, Your Highness.
Oh, allow me to hazard a guess. You bring me bad news.
No, I do have some good news, Your Highness. You are still in power. However, it seems that the mercenaries have taken Grum.
Elliot, you idiot! That's not good news! Grum! For God's sake, when will this end? Maybe I should recruit children. They'd do a better job of it.
You would like me to summon them, my queen?
Elliot, you idiot! Don't be so stupid. Now spare nothing, no expense. These mercenaries must be killed. All of them! And bring me the bodies!
As you command, Your Highness.
Elliot, I do have things to do, you know.
Of course, my queen. I know that you are a very busy woman, but I insisted that I see you right away. I bring great news.
Well, Elliot, this is indeed a change of pace.
Yes, Your Highness. I am pleased to report that we have taken back one of the cities. The report should be coming in soon.
Elliot, you idiot! Getting something back that is already mine is not good news! It shouldn't have been lost in the first place! Now get out of here and leave me be!
As you command, Your Highness.
Hello, Elliot.
Good day, Your Highness. I have an urgent report for you.
Not today, Elliot. I can't bear any more bad news. I have important decisions to make.
With all due respect, Your Highness, you need to hear this. The mercenary forces have been spotted on the outskirts of Meduna, and...
On the outskirts of Meduna? For Christ's sake, Elliot! They're practically in my backyard! Maybe we should have a barbecue! Invite them over! Have some champagne to celebrate their little victories! How can I conceivably make any new plans when all the plans I've made have failed? Maybe I should have hired those mercenaries rather than the stumps calling themselves my soldiers!
Would you like me to extend them an offer, my queen?
Ah! Elliot! You idiot! Well now, Joe?
Queen!
Make sure all my soldiers know their whereabouts, and see to it that these mercenaries are executed. I want their remains, such as they may be, when my forces are finished with them. Oh, clean up that mess.
Actually, Your Highness, I'll clean it up myself. It's not a bother, really.
What? Oh my lord! Elliot, you idiot! Are you so stupid you don't even know how to die properly? Can't you do anything right?
Apparently not, Your Highness. I will try harder.
What is it now, Elliot? Oh, flowers. How lovely. And so thoughtful. From my troops, no doubt.
Not exactly, Your Highness. From theirs.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty. It seems the flowers are a gift to Your Highness from the mercenaries. Perhaps they have taken a fondness toward you.
Elliot! You idiot! 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 Is this some kind of joke? Some twisted and sick sense of humor? Oh, yes, this is extremely funny! I shoot them! I shoot them not! I shoot them!
They are rather pretty, Your Highness.
Elliot, you idiot! Say it! Say, I am an idiot! Do it, Elliot!
I am an idiot, Your Highness.
Yes, yes, you are! Now, listen to me. First, I want my elite soldiers to shoot the messenger who brought these. And then, when we kill these little commandos, I want a single flower placed in their mouths as they die. A rose, I think. A blood-red rose. Now, do as you're told, and leave me be.
As you command, Your Highness.